Trauma can cast a long shadow over our lives, affecting our thoughts, emotions, and actions in profound ways. It's like carrying a heavy burden that weighs us down, making every step forward feel like a struggle. But healing is possible. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful strategies to help you begin the journey toward healing from trauma. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Step 1. Taking time for yourself. Embrace patience. Trauma doesn't adhere to a fixed timeline for resolution. Resisting the passage of time only prolongs the healing process and adds to the frustration. Break down your healing journey into small, manageable steps. By taking one step at a time, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. Embrace each step of the process with patience and kindness towards yourself. Remember to celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Reflecting on how far you've come can provide the encouragement needed to keep moving forward. Step 2. Understanding your emotions. Confronting feelings. Emotions often emerge during traumatic events, and it's common to experience a myriad of different feelings. When these feelings aren't addressed, they tend to build up over time. It's beneficial to consciously acknowledge and experience these emotions. Take a moment to calmly examine what feelings are present underneath the surface. Expressing your emotions can help you let go and find peace. Step 3. Exploring past triggers. Returning to the source. Consider revisiting the location where you initially experienced these emotions. If a present-day situation disrupts your equilibrium, dare to journey back to where it all began. Choose a safe space for this reflection. Recall the circumstances, often from your youth, when you first recognized these feelings. Now, from the comfort of your present surroundings, reconnect with those emotions as described earlier. Step 4. Trusting your inner guidance. Listening to your intuition. As you navigate the healing journey, trust in your innate wisdom and intuition to guide you. Your inner voice serves as a compass, pointing you towards paths of healing and growth. By listening attentively to your intuition, you empower yourself to make decisions aligned with your true self and foster greater resilience. Step 5. Building a support network. Seeking safe spaces. Seek out trustworthy individuals and gradually expand your social circle. Traumatic experiences can make you feel isolated, like you're in solitary confinement. Find a confidant with whom you can share your journey. Increase the number of people you confide in at your own pace, ensuring they are individuals you feel secure with. The new space within you gives you new insights and feelings that you can feel and share again. Gradually, you will find that your story is changing. As you slowly but surely let more people in, you'll find that you prefer telling one person one thing and another person another thing. Through connection and community, you can find strength and solace on your healing journey. Step 6. Honoring mind-body connection. Listening to your body's wisdom. When emotions are deeply suppressed, they can manifest as mental or physical illnesses or symptoms. Viewing these ailments as messengers can aid in the healing process. By acknowledging both your emotions and your body, you can effectively address and heal from trauma. Step 7. Embracing uncertainty. Letting go of the need for control. Embrace the idea of living with uncertainty. When you can release control and surrender to the unknown, you create more room within yourself. This openness makes it easier to find solutions and navigate life with greater ease. Step 8. Cultivating inner peace. Finding serenity through meditation. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation into your daily routine to cultivate inner peace and resilience. Set aside time to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. Through regular meditation, you can enhance self-awareness, emotional regulation, and overall well-being on your journey towards healing. If you find yourself having trouble meditating, you can also do a guided meditation. While meditation is often praised for its numerous benefits, it's important to acknowledge that it's not without its risks. In this exploration, we uncover 6 potential dangers of meditation. 1. It encourages negative thinking. Many people meditate because it allows them to have a more positive outlook on life. But unfortunately, this is not always the case. Many people get irrational thoughts while meditating and get frustrated. 2. Your sensory perception can change. Meditation can affect the way you look, smell, hear, and taste. Many people hallucinate or see visions and lights that are not there. Some people become more sensitive to sounds. 3. You lose your motivation. Do you suffer from procrastination? Then don't meditate, because research shows it weakens your motivation. This is not just about your work, but also about the activities you used to enjoy. This may be a result of the detachment, the renunciation of worldly pleasures and material possessions that meditators strive for. 4. You are reviving negative thoughts and feelings. Meditation can bring up feelings and memories that you have suppressed for a long time. This can lead to a flood of negative emotions. Some people experience anxiety attacks and become paranoid or depressed after meditating. 5. This can cause physical side effects. Some people get headaches from meditation, feel tired, or feel weak or dizzy after meditating. Other people report indigestion or involuntary movements after a session. 6. You can become antisocial. Meditation is an attempt to connect with yourself, but it can also radically change the way you interact with others. Some people report feeling socially restricted or unable to behave normally in the presence of others because of meditation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more insightful content.